Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best frameless shower doors that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Dreamline Mirage XS HDR 196073R0456-40 in WX72 in H frameless sliding shower door. The door has a walk-in opening of 22-inch to 26-inch and can slide from 55-inch to 60-inch with ease. Its configuration is made up of a stationary panel and a sliding door, and you can install it on the right or left. Another feature is the proprietary L-bar that offers a streamlined, bright look, and structural support. It is also made of premium 3/8-inch certified clear tempered glass that resists stains and rust. The Dreamline Mirage X frameless sliding shower or tub door is the epitome of simple elegance with a modern flair. The remarkably innovative headerless design creates an unobstructed and open view for your shower. The Mirage X shower door will complete any bathroom space with a look of luxury and style. You also get an anodized aluminum bottom guide rail that helps the door to open and close smoothly and a U-channel wall profile. It is possible to trim the track up to 4-inch to meet your specific needs. Moving on at number 4, we have Aston Cascadia 34 inches by 72 inches completely frameless hinged shower door. The Aston Cascadia is a completely frameless hinged door that you can install to make your shower more attractive. It offers a width of 34-inch and a height of 72-inch, meaning that it is a door that can work for tub and shower. Your smaller alcove shower space can become a luxurious destination with the Aston Cascadia single-panel completely frameless hinged shower door. With models ranging from 22 in to 38 in width, even the smallest openings can be transformed into a modern showering experience. The other notable feature is the brushed stainless steel finish that ensures the door remains rust and corrosion resistant. It also comes with a 3/8-inch tempered safety glass that is ANSI Z97.1 certified. You can easily adjust the door from 33-3/4 inch to 34-1/4 inch to meet your needs and is designed for right or left installation. It is a frameless hinged shower door that you can depend on to provide you with the service you desire. At number 3, we have Woodbridge MBS DC6076B frameless sliding shower door. The MBS DC6076B is a sliding shower door that adjusts from 56-inch to 60-inch and has a height of 76-inch. It also provides a door walk-in of 22 to 26-inch and comes with a stainless steel bar guide that you can trim up to 4-inch to fit the top. Another feature is the large solid stainless steel roller that helps to create smooth and effortless sliding. You can also bet on it being quiet. The system makes your shower modern, bright, and more attractive. Woodbridge exclusive Ultralux coating repels water and contaminates, and helps protect against staining and hard water buildup. It is easier to clean and maintenance, yet maintains its high gloss, bright, shiny and clean as new even after long time. Its stainless steel hardware does not chip, scratch off, or rust. The door is also easy to clean, maintain, and retains its original look. You also get a 24-month warranty that shows the door is quite durable. At number 2, we have Elegant Showers 58.5 to 60 W by 72 inches H semi-frameless bypass sliding shower doors. As the name suggests, you can adjust the door from 58.5-inch to 60-inch and enjoy its high height of 72-inch. The door comes with a cut bottom and top rail track that you can trim to fit your needs and is finished with chrome material. Another feature is the 1/4-inch clear tempered glass that is ANSI Z97.1 certified, meaning that it is safe and easy to clean. There is also an exterior door handle that lets you hang your clothes and towels. The rollers are stainless steel, and clamp securely to the glass. Make glass doors slide smoothly and quietly. Stable aluminium material, solid and durable. All the premium material of the door, including the aluminum hardware, resist corrosion and rust. It also boasts of full-length transparent vinyl door seals that prevent leakage. And finally at number 1, Delta Shower Doors SD3172686 Windermere Semi-Frameless Contemporary Sliding Door. Delta Shower Doors is a sliding door by Delta, and it is the SD3172686 model. It is a system that fits openings of up to 50-1/8 inch to 58.5 inch and offers a height of up to 71 inch. The door has a track assembly kit that is made of anodized aluminum to add strength and prevent corrosion. You can easily cut this kit to fit your needs when installing it and still count on the 5-year warranty. Another feature is the premium 1/4 inch tempered safety glass that is ANSI certified. The glass is water resistant and is transparent to allow light to pass via. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.